I don't know what to do. I used to be the #1 sales rep on my team. The #1 closer. I could land a deal in a single lunch meeting. And now, it's all different. We're living in a virtual world. Prospects aren't answering my emails anymore. Trying to close a deal through video is next to impossible, and I just don't understand where I'm supposed to find these skills to help me do my job. So I guess when you ask me how can you help me, I think I'm beyond help, buddy.
Sir? This is a burger shack?
Oh yeah, can I have a number 3? Supersized meal?